In this video, we are going to unlock powerful Gemini gems right here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, I've already shown you how to use your gems. Now, I've mentioned in that video that I'm also going to show you how to create your own gems. So first of all, what are gems? Gemini gems are again custom AI helpers that follow saved instructions to work with your spreadsheet the same way every time. So they can analyze data, clean or organize tables, create formulas, generate random data, and more depending on what you want to do. So this is totally up to you. Gems are AI assistants inside Sheets that help you work faster, let you do less manual work, and have consistent results every time. So instead of repeating the same prompt every time, you can just use your gems to automate that task. Let's go ahead and get started. So in this example, this is the data that I've generated with a gem that I've created. So let's go back to how we create that gem. So the gem is called Random Data Generator. As its name indicates, it generates random data for you to work with or exercise with, depending on what you want to do. So in my videos, I usually generate a lot of random data as examples, and this is a great gem for me to use. So let's go ahead and create our gem. Go to your Ask Gemini tool right here at the top right corner. Here is our Gemini panel. On the top left corner, you have more options. Click on that. There we have it. And we're just going to go to View All Gems right here. And here we have it. So at the top of this panel, we will see your Create a Gem option. So if we click on this, it will ask us to open Gemini in a new tab, which we will allow by clicking on Open Gemini right here. And here we have it. So to create a new gem, we are going to be creating a name, a description, and the instructions for that gem. Pretty straightforward. The name that we're going to give this one would be Random Data Generator. There we go. For the description, this is just a short description or explanation of what this gem does. And with specifications, I mean the number of rows, the columns, or the general idea of your data. And finally, the instructions. So if we go ahead and put in our instructions, it's basically create a table with a specified number of rows or columns and the topic provided in the prompt. There we have it. So again, quite simple, but if you want to be as specific as you want, you can add those specifications right here. So for this one, we don't actually need a default tool like these options right here. So let's leave it at no default tool. And for the knowledge, if you have a specific reference or example that you want it to follow, you can simply add it right here with your files. So that can be from your computer drive, your Google Drive, photos, import code, or notebook LM. There you have it. So this is it. These are the things that I'm going to fill out for this gem. And on the right side, we have a preview. We can also test it out before we go ahead and save it. So I'm just going to put in, let's say rows would be 10, columns would be 3, and the topic would be sales. Click on submit, and here we have it. So we have a quick data generated right here with our specifications of 3 columns, 10 rows, and a general topic of sales. And there you have it. If you're satisfied with the output, then we can just go ahead and save right here. And our gem that's named the Random Data Generator has been created. Now, instead of going to Start Chat right here, we can simply go back to our spreadsheet. Here is our Random Data Generator gem. If we click on that, again, put in the specifications that we want. So just simple number of rows, let's say 15, columns of, let's say 5, and the general topic of, let's say investments. And here we have our random data generated with the help of Gemini Gem right here in Google Sheets. If you want to use that random data, just click on Insert, and here we have it. So if I wanted another data generated, I can just simply again enter the number of rows right here. Let's say 5, number of columns of just 2, and if I say fruits, press enter, it will generate that random data for me. And that's how you can unlock this powerful Gemini gem right here in Google Sheets. This video is part of my Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you're interested in the full playlist, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.